cuisines and adventures. Today we're traveling to South Asia to have an Indian-inspired lentil and potato curry. This is a savory, spicy, wonderful dish which is vegetarian friendly and can also be vegan friendly. So let's take a look at what's inside this dish. We start off with 2 large onions, 3 bell peppers. We have a tablespoon of chopped garlic and a tablespoon of ginger. We have about 1 kg of potatoes, but we'll see how many fit in the pot. We have 1 cupful of mixed lentils. So we have red, we have green, we have some black. I'll list in the comments what is included with the mixed lentils. And as well as 1 can of chopped / crushed with my hand tomatoes. So we're going to layer these all into the Instant Pot. And we're going to be using this spice. This is a dal masala from Shan Foods. And it's a really nice spice mix, and it makes it much easier to work. You don't have to worry about mixing up your own spices or having 12 or 15 different spices on your spice rack that might go bad. You can just use this one. So in here we have 3 tablespoons of this dal masala mix, as well as 1 tablespoon of red chili pepper. Now that's chili pepper as in a pepper, not chili powder like Mexican. So don't be an idiot. Red chili pepper. If you don't like spice, you can leave that one out, but it just adds a little bit of extra zip to the recipe. So let's clear this off and get this going. Okay, we're ready to go. The Instant Pot is set in saute mode. It just said hot. So we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. That's got a second to get hot. We're going to add our 2 large onions. And a little bit of salt again. I'm going to soften these up, maybe put a little bit of color on them as well. As these are coming along, we're going to add the garlic and ginger. Mix that up with the onions. It smells wonderful. And to this, we're going to add our 3 bell peppers. Let all these flavors start to love each other, and the bell peppers get a little bit softer. Okay, to the onions and peppers, we're going to add our spices. So the chili powder and dal masala mix. Dump these in. Incorporate them and stir them around. I just want to wake these spices up a bit before we add the rest of the ingredients. Ooh, those smell good. Okay, we're going to turn off saute mode and get ready to layer this up and pressure cook. First up, we're just going to add a splash of water so we can make sure to scrape the bottom of the pot. We don't want anything stuck on there because that will lead to a burn message, like we got in a previous video. So scrape that very well. Once that is done, we are going to add the lentils to the dal. Since we have 1 cup of lentils, we need to add 3 cups of water or stock. So to keep this vegetarian, it will be vegetable stock. 1 cup of vegetable stock, 2 cups of water. Okay, we don't want to stir this. We want to leave the lentils where they are. At the top here, making sure we're paying attention to the max fill line, we're going to add the potatoes. And then on top of the potatoes, the can of tomatoes. Tomatoes always go last because they tend to burn. Okay, now we're all set to seal this up. Let it go. Okay, so to set this up, we are going to say pressure cook 10 minutes. Lentils on their own, you could probably cook in 4 or 5 minutes, but because the potatoes are in there, we've had to add some extra time. The lentils are not going to be solid, they're going to be broken down for the most part, so this is going to be like a lentil congee curry stew. We'll take a look at what we get. Okay, time is up. Time for the quick release. Okay, the pin has dropped. Let's see what we have. Let's just check quickly. The potatoes are cooked. And they are. We probably didn't need the whole 10 minutes. 8 minutes might have worked. All right. Now we can mix this up and see what we have. So you can see we have lentils, we have potatoes, peppers and onions. It smells lovely. If you wanted to at this point, you could add a little garam masala to the top. So right now we have a vegan meal. While this is great now the way it is, I like to add a cup full of yogurt to this just to balance and smooth things out and add a different layer. Of course, this will make it a vegetarian meal, not a vegan meal. Sorry, vegans. I haven't perfected how to make soy yogurt yet. Okay, so we stir that in. This will dramatically change the creaminess level of this and just the overall flavor. It gives a really nice feel in your mouth, a nice richness that is missing from the non-yogurt version. So that is it. Lentil and potato curry. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you know instantly when we release a new video. See you next time.